Vessel in distress, this is Coast Guard Sector Southeastern New England. Over. Vessel in distress, this is Coast Guard Sector Southeastern New England. Over. Can I? We are your deck, Captain. Standing by. 4 girl, this is Sector Southeastern New England. Over. 4 girls, this is Sector Southeastern New England. Can I get your GPS position? Over. 4 girls, this is Sector Ryder. Good copy. Can I have a number of persons on board, including adults and children? Over. Roger, Captain. Can I get a description of the vessel, including left, type, make, and color? Over. 4 girls, Sector Southeastern New England. Over. Roger, Captain. Standing by. 4 girls, this is Sector Roger. Good copy. Can I get the description of the vessel, including left, type, make, and color? Over. 4 girls, this is Sector Southeastern New England. Roger. Good copy. Can you say again the length of the vessel? Over. 4 girls, Sector. Just to confirm, 68. Over. 4 girls, Sector Roger. Good copy. Stand by, Captain. 4 girls, Sector. Just to confirm, do you have your flotation device on all persons on board? Over. 4 girls, this is Sector Roger. Good copy. Stand by. On, hello, station, this is U.S. Coast Guard Sector Southeastern New England. Break. At time 0005 local time, 0405 Greenwich time. The Coast Guard has received a report of vessel 4 girls, 30 foot, color and float, white, black, in vicinity of Bourne Bridge, position 4146.5. 07032.072 west, adrift with 02 POV. Person on board. Mariners are requested to be on sharp lookout as soon as possible and report our sightings to the Coast Guard. Break. This is U.S. Coast Guard Sector Southeastern New England. Out. Vessel 4 girls, this is Sector Southeastern New England. Over. Vessel 4 girls, this is Coast Guard Sector Southeastern New England. Over. Vessel 4 girls, this is Coast Guard Sector Southeastern New England on channel 16. Over. Vessel 4 girls, this is Coast Guard Sector Southeastern New England on channel 16. Over. Vessel 4 girls, this is Sector Southeastern New England on channel 16. Over. 4 girls, this is Coast Guard Sector Southeastern New England. Request to know your registration number. Over. Captain, the displacement tonnage. Over.
4 girls, Canal Control. He's looking for your state registration numbers and displacement and tonnage. 4 girls, Canal Control. Did you copy my last? Okay, roger that. Now, what's the status of your repairs? Okay, yeah, roger that. Just got one inbound vessel on the east end there. You got the fishing vessel at Dolores, but I think they're going to Sandwich as well. They're off the CC buoy now. They'll be heading westbound, but I think they're just going to Sandwich. Yeah, roger that. We currently have the canal closed. Got the red lights on and shouldn't see any other traffic. Yeah, roger that. As soon as you make it back to Sandwich, just make sure you give us a call so we can open the canal back up. Okay, roger that. And just you got the east current until about 0230.
On, hello, station, this is U.S. Coast Guard Sector Southeastern New England. Break. At time 0005 local time, 0405 Greenwich time. The Coast Guard has received a report of vessel 4 girls, 30 foot, colored boat, white, black, adrift vicinity of Bourne Bridge, position 4146.5, north, 070 degrees, 32 decimal 02072 west, with 02 person on board. Mariners are requested to keep a sharp lookout as soon as possible and report all sightings to the Coast Guard. Great. This is U.S. Coast Guard Sector Southeast New England, out.
Sandwich Fire, Barnesville County Control.
Bourne fire for a boat rescue, Cape Cod Canal.
Sandwich Fire answering. Do you have a boat in the water that could respond to the Cape Cod Canal? We got a request from the Coast Guard. We have a 58-foot vessel that's dredged in between the Bourne and Sagamore.
Bourne Station 3, Station 4. For the boat rescue, there's a 58-foot vessel submerged in the Cape Cod Canal between the north and south side. 3003.
Stand by. Barnesville County Control from Sandwich Fire. Answering Sandwich Fire. That's affirmative. I do have a boat crew that can operate. Receive, if you could send them that way. We're also sending Bourne to respond. I'm going to notify the Coast Guard. Received.
One two four zero three.
Station 1, Barnesville County requesting the activation of our boat crew for a 58-foot dredged boat between the Sagamore and Bourne Bridge.
One two four on with 3. The 58 of the vessel is in the center of the canal, stuck. Army Corps has eyes on it. 1,200 yards of Sagamore. East of Sagamore, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, can you repeat the location a little better? .1,200 yards east of the Sagamore Bridge, center of the canal. Army Corps of Engineers has eyes on the vessel.
Fire alarm. Give a call to Station 1.
Station 1, Barnesville County Control requesting our boat team activated for a 58-foot dredged boat in the canal between the Sagamore and Bourne Bridge.
143.
Station 1 has it.
15143. Yeah, it's 143.
Come on, I heard, like you just saw any more landmarks, just 1,200 yards.
1,200 yards east of the Sagamore Bridge.
Alright, received. I'm going to enter in the canal road from the Sagamore Bridge parking lot. Do we report victims?
Negative. No victims. It's just dredged. As a result, it's shut down the entire canal of traffic.
Line 123 on the 2.
One, two, three on with 2 responding Cape Cod Canal.
Pon, here all stations. This is U.S. Coast Guard Sector Service to New England. Break.
Answer 143.
Making my way down the canal road from the Sagamore lot. And the Coast Guard called us requesting us. Do they have any, what do they need from us?
Time 0005 local time, 0405 Greenwich time. The Coast Guard has received a report of vessel 4 girls, 30-foot colored boat, white and black, adrift in the vicinity of Bourne Bridge, position 4146, decimal 519 north, 070 degrees 32, decimal 072 west, with 02 people on board. Mariners are requested to be on chart lookout as this is possible and report sightings to the Coast Guard. Break.
Flight 12 and 16 from 47. 12 backlot.
16 backlot.
Cape Cod Canal is going to be in the area. Disgusted Beach Road Diver reported 1,200 yards east of the Sagamore Bridge, so towards the Sandwich and mouth of the canal. About a 50-foot vessel submerged in the canal. No victims reported at this time. Army Corps of Engineers has eyes on it. Bourne FDs en route.
The Coast Guard didn't know exactly what they wanted. They're requesting at least 2 boats. We contacted the Army Corps, and we're trying to get more vessels down there to assist. It's a very heavy 58-foot vessel.
This is U.S. Coast Guard Sector Service to New England. Out.
A1's on.
Received. I'm on location at approximately the end of Savory Ave. There is a boat. I can't quite tell what's going on, but I'm going to be on location. End of Savory Ave, and I'm out investigating.
A1 on for the Sandwich Marina. I'll copy.
16 copies. I'll be in Richmond as well.
At Savory Ave, investigate.
Received.
Four girls, Canal Control, Channel 16. Yeah, just want to get an update on your status and just make sure you're still holding in your position. Okay, yeah, roger that. I can relay that information. We do have a couple assets heading to your position. Just a heads up.
15143.
Answering 143.
Okay, I have a boat, like a fishing boat here. Stopped in the middle of the canal. I don't see anyone on it. Is this the boat we're talking about?
Well, if you can get underway on your own power, it'll probably be an escort just to make sure you get to Sandwich okay. Okay, Roger. Let me know if you need anything. I'll contact you again in about 30 minutes.
I believe so. Center of the canal, all lit up, has all the lights on.
Okay, one at the marina.
A1 at the marina.
Affirmative. I don't see anyone on it. It's still above water.
Received. We're currently on the phone with Army Corp, trying to figure out exactly what to do with your engines and your presence on scene.
Sounds like FD stating they're not locating the vessel there. Should I try to set the beach? FD located it through the area of Savory Ave. It's not submerged, all lit up, above water. Unknown if there's people on board.
Fire alarm 143 was Sandwich able to stop the boat?
One for 3 for fire alarm, that was unreadable. Please repeat.
Was Sandwich Fire able to staff their marine unit?
Yes, that's affirmative.
Alright, received. I'm going to be, they're going to be pretty close to us once they get underway. I'm going to stand by. Again, I don't see anyone moving around on that vessel.
The Coast Guard has contact with people on the boat stating that they have engine issues and they're stuck.
Okay, 10-4. Engine 124 for 143.
2-4.
At this point, you can return the quarters.
40712.
Alright, 1 fire, 124, clear return.
On the floor, Savory Ave.
Received 124, return.
Racing.
Fire alarm, engine 123 down.
123 on location.
Well, Marine 1's underway with 3.
Marine 1 underway with 3.
One fire, 1-4, 3.
Answer 143.
At this point, myself, 123 are going to stand by until we get some sort of marine asset here. We don't have a boat capable of going out the canal, but if Sandwich is responding, they can get out there and then make an assessment of what's going on. Four, 7,
10.
04.
3.
Received. You're going to stand by a 123 as you don't have a marine unit available. You're going to stand by until Sandwich can assess the vessel itself.
And do we know, is Coast Guard responding as well from somewhere in Corinth here?
Coast Guard responding from Woods Hole.
Appreciate it. Four, 7,
10.
All units would be 05, not as reported, vehicles not in distress, just disabled.
Fishing vessel L'Oreal, sector South America, channel 16 over.
Received.
Fishing vessel L'Oreal, sector 16 over. Take it, Captain. Out. On Hello Station, this is US Coast Guard Secretary from England. Great. At time 0005, local time 0405, Greenwich time. The Coast Guard has received a report of vessel 4 girls, 30-foot, golden boat, white and black, adrift, ascending the Bourne Bridge. Position 4146.519 north, 07032.072 west, with 02 people on board. Mariners are requested to be on sharp lookout as soon as possible and report our sightings to the Coast Guard. Great.
Marine 4339's on, Bourne fire alarm.
Marine 1 from fire alarm.
From Bourne 143. I don't know how much of that conversation caught on 16. It just seems like they're having engine trouble. But if you guys could maybe make contact with them, make sure we don't have any leaks and there's no distress, and then we'll have to pretty much let the Coast Guard handle this when they arrive on scene.
This is US Coast Guard Sector South England. Out.
Received. Go ahead, fire alarm.
One 124 recorded.
Barnstable County Control is requesting that when you arrive on location, that you change to Bourne's fire channel.
One, 2, 4 quarters.
I have a second radio with Bourne and in communication with them.
Received, thank you.
Bourne 5 from Marine 439.
Bourne, car 143, go ahead.
Car 143, just confirming it's on the discussion side, it's on the sandwich side of the, I see it now. We see it.
Yeah, dead center of the channel. Four 143. It seems like they've dropped like a coffin dredge or something to hold themselves in place, so it's going to be coming off the rear, so there's going to be like a cable or something, just be aware.
439 has that.
One fire 143.
Answering 143.
Sandwich Marine 439's on scene. They're making an approach to the vessel. Gonna be just checking on same. Do we have any further Marine units?
At the vessel. We do not have any further word on any other of the Marine units.
Received. When 439 gets out with them, we'll get a better report on what's needed, what's going on.
Bon Hill Station, this is US Coast Guard Sector Southeastern New England. Great. At time 0005 local time 0405 Greenwich time. The Coast Guard has received a report of vessel 4 girls, 30-foot sculling boat, white, black, drift Pacific Bourne Bridge, position 4146.519 north, 070 degrees 32.072 west, with 02 people on board. Mariners are requested to be on charter lookout as soon as possible and report taken to the Coast Guard. Great. This is US Coast Guard Sector Southeastern New England. Out.
Car 143, 439.
God.
The boat is lost power. He thinks he can get it started, but the last time he got it started, it died on it again. The concern is if he takes anchor up and tries to do it again, he's going to not be able to get situated. Do we have an estimate on the Coast Guard?
I just checked. I'm going to get a further, I'll inquire further about their ETA. So basically he's going to need to be towed. Do they have any sort of contact with commercial towing?
Negative on that.
Received. Thanks, 439. If you could just kind of do the best you can to stand by until we get this sorted out further.
One 439.
Fine.
Coast Guard asked the captain some information about what they feel, how big that boat is and whether they can tow it or not. Get back to you.
All right.
Bon, hello, station, this is US Coast Guard Sector Southeastern New England, break. At time 0005 local time, 0405 Greenwich time, the Coast Guard had received a report of vessel 4 girls, 30-foot sculling boat, white and black. Adrift Investigating a Bourne Bridge, Cape Cod Canal. Position east side, Sagamore Bridge. With 02 people on board with life jackets on. Mariners are requested to be on shallow lookout as soon as possible and report or taken to the Coast Guard. Great. This is U.S. Coast Guard Sector Southeast Agreement.
Cal 143 from 439.
Go ahead, 439.
The Coast Guard's rigging for a side-by-side tow, and they're going to try and get it back to the Coast Guard station sandwich.
Received. Do they need, I'm going to try and get my stuff out of here. Are you guys going to be seeing about to help them, or are they good with what they got?
We're going to stand by and assist. I don't think they need any land assets right now.
All right, received. I'm going to start getting my equipment up here turned around and whatnot.
Received. I imagine we'll be underway in a couple minutes.
Received.
On, hello, station, this is U.S. Coast Guard Sector Southeast in New England, great. Time, 005, local time, 0405, Greenwich time. The Coast Guard has received a report of vessel 4 girls, 30 blue, couple boat, white and black, adrift, in the vicinity of Bourne Bridge, Cape Cod Canal. Position east side, Sagamore Bridge, with 02 people on board with life jackets on. Mariners are requested to be on shallow lookout. Coast Guard is on scene and this is vessel. Great. This is U.S. Coast Guard Sector Southeast in New England, out. Fishing vessel Lorient sector on channel 16, over. Fishing vessel Lorient, Coast Guard Sector Southeast in New England, channel 16, over. Lorient, this is Coast Guard Sector Southeast in New England, roger. Captain, we request to know what the estimated time arrival to the vessel, over.
The reported time is on display. When I get my captain up, I will find the exact answer.
Captain, roger, good copy. 35. Captain, roger, good copy.
Cal 143 439. They're underway. We're going to follow. See you next time.
Received 439. Thanks for the assistance. On fire 143.
Fire alarm red direct. Units returning.
Fire alarm Ranger 123 in quarters.
123 quarters.
2-1 back. Yeah, looking about a mile and a half throughout the canal. It's open back up for you. Okay, yeah. Feel free to bring it along. If you could just give us about 15 minutes before you get underway, just give us a call.
14143 in quarters.
Okay, roger that. Standing by.
143 quarters, one fire alarm clear, 204.
On, hello, station, this is U.S. Coast Guard Sector Southeast in New England, great. At time 0005, local time 0405, Greenwich time. The Coast Guard has received a report. Issue vessel 4 girls, 32 swimming past. Boat, white, black, drift, vicinity of Bourne Bridge, position east side, Sagamore Bridge. With 02 people on board, with life jackets on. Mariners are requested to be on sharp lookout. The Coast Guard is on scene and assistance issued. Break. This is U.S. Coast Guard Sector Service Agreement. Out.
Just going back. Okay, roger that. Currently no reported opposing traffic for you. Just give us a call at 1 and 2 to check in.
Hello, station. This is U.S. Coast Guard Sector Service Agreement. Break. At time 0005, local time 0405, English time. The Coast Guard has received a report of vessel 4 girls, 30-foot boat, white and black, adrift, vicinity of Bourne Bridge, Cape Cod Canal, position east side, Sagamore Bridge. With 02 people on board with life jackets on. Mariners are requested to be on sharp lookout. Coast Guard is on scene and assisting vessel 4 girls. Break. This is U.S. Coast Guard Sector Service Agreement. Out. Hello, station. This is U.S. Coast Guard Sector Service Agreement. Break. Time 0223 local time 0623 Greenwich time. Council Pond breaks. This is U.S. Coast Guard Sector Service Agreement. Out.
Fire alarm. Marine 1 back to the dock.
Marine 1 back at the dock.